Okay, I'm going to be making a little video of the mini RV. This is its current state. Very snowy. Here's where the power comes in. I've got these rings to put the incoming power cord through. Flat roof with the front angled part. It's dug in a little bit to the snow. Fully wired. It's got the jack at the front. You can see, I'm not going to get too far down here, but this should give you an idea underneath. It's fully undercoated. Reasonable tires on it. Extremely high quality windows. They're the argon filled vinyl windows. Okay, the little jacks come with it. These are it's just sitting on that. Here's an outdoor plug for stereo or barbecue, what have you. Let me give you another view of the outside. It's kind of snowy here, obviously. Ugh. But that's okay. You can dig it out. Beautiful little portable stairs. Very sturdy, but also very light. You can just pick them up and throw them into it when you're traveling. Trailer lights. And you can see the lights up there. So all the lighting is completely legal. Lockable door. Going inside. Give it a little tour around. Now it has the dimmable lights. It's absolutely marvelous in here. Dimmable lights. Extremely nice at night. And also I have this switch here so that you can turn them on and off from this side of the room. This is where the bed would go. You can get a full king size bed in here across this way. That was the whole idea. That's actually an RV window. It's the only one that isn't fully insulated, but you can see there's a little sill there. Nicely finished. Amazing carpentry work. Here's one of the windows. I did not put a sill on this one because I figured you might want to put a couch across here. But these windows are state of the art. Absolutely amazing. Solid. Very brand new. Brand new windows. Here's your power supply. There's your 110. There's your 12 volt. All your wiring runs down in there. My idea was to put a corner cabinet in here. I've left this open specifically so you can build it out to whatever way you want. Give you the view. This stuff is amazing. Beautiful, beautiful wood paneling. Amazing stuff. I didn't stain these yet because I didn't know what people want. If they want light or dark, it's easy to stain that. There's a little window on this sill on this window where you can put stuff. Very high quality carpentry work. It's the other window. Here's your switch for the lights. Here's the outdoor light, which you can see here. Beautiful light fixture for their exterior light. These windows again are wonderful. They work perfectly. Like I say, brand new. Craftsmanship is very good. Extremely high craftsmanship. Plugs. There's one plug. Another plug. The other plug. I've just got this little heater in here, and it heats this place up beautifully. Turn this little guy on, and even if it's like extremely cold like today, in, well, let's be realistic, a couple hours, this thing will be toasty. And then it stays toasty. You can put this on low, and it stays toasty overnight. Low or medium. Nice trim. The trim work. Like I say, I'm blowing my own horn here a little bit, but I am a very good carpenter, so been doing it many years. And you can see the beautiful original woodwork. Beat up old chair, don't worry about that. The carpet does go with it. The floor, by the way, is pine, and it's shogiban, which is that Japanese method of burning. There's just a little snow on it. But you can see the quality of the pine flooring is just beyond belief. Beautiful. Absolutely amazing flooring. And I've just got this carpet. The door. Insulated window in the door. Lockable. So that pretty much completes the tour of the mini RV. It's a gorgeous piece of work. This has been linseed oiled. The outside's been linseed oiled. It's either 3 or 4 times, at least 3 times. You'd want to linseed oil that at least once a year to keep up the beautiful finish. Okay, so this is it. This is what the mini RV looks like. This thing is built to last. There's no reason this thing won't be around in 100 years if you look after it. All right, so that's the explanation of the Mini. Okay.